Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the column of any cell adjust automatically after adding any text in Microsoft Excel. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Excel and now say let me type one word or text here. So now most probably in order to adjust the column of the cell, we used to drag this line just like this, right? So it's not very convenient, is not it, right? So in order to make this column of our respective cell adjust automatically, what you need to do is just right mouse click on this option written set 1, just right mouse click on it, and now you can see your view code, just click on it. And now here you can see one option written general, just click on it. Now select this worksheet, and now here in the middle you need to add one command, cell dot entire column dot auto fit. So you need to type this command, cells dot entire column dot auto fit. After that you can just close this window. Now let us retype some words again, and let me try to hit enter. I can see here it automatically adjusts the column of the respective cell. So let me try here and let me hit enter. Now you can see here it's automatically adjusting the column of every cell. So now you don't need to manually adjust the column of every cell in order to make the respective words or text fit inside the respective cell. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make column of any cell adjust automatically after adding any text in Microsoft Excel very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.